Hi guys, welcome back to NNN World. Today I'm here to share an application called BRIBOOKS. This app is very good for kids, especially who are interested in story writing. And I'm here to talk about how to log into BRIBOOKS and how to write a book and how to publish a book. So what are we waiting for? Let's hop into the video. You have to go to Play Store and type BRIBOOKS. Once you type it, you need to install this app. Once you install the app, open the application. It will show you this page which says login. You could log in with your email or your username, but I prefer email is the great option. So I'm putting my email. Then we have to get OTP. You're not registered, that means you need to sign up. Once you get the OTP, you can give done. Then if you want BRIBOOKS to send you notification, you can allow or don't allow. I'm gonna click don't allow, guys. So this is the home page. In top you'll see a write new book. You click that. Then you could choose your genre of the book. Perhaps an example, I'm gonna choose science fiction. I'll choose science fiction. This is the theme of the book. What theme do you want? You could write my own images, write on both sides, magic, superheroes, creature, pirate, etc. I'm gonna put superheroes. Then we click next. This is a tutorial. If you don't know, you could watch this tutorial. So this is the type button. You could type whatever you want in your imagine, like superheroes. What does superhero do? Save peoples. You could write anything you want. So this is an example I gave. But still, if you're not getting any ideas to write, you could just click the help. It will help you. Like this example, you can just take it. When it shows in you wrote in a page, you can click this add page. You'll get another page. You can type whatever you want. But I'm clicking help because I'm gonna continue the rest of the video until it reaches the full page. Finish our book. We could like edit it. You could edit the cover, book title. So we could give a book title. We can also pick our covers. So I wrote a superhero book, so we could give a superhero cover. So that's it, guys. I completed this much. Then we give a preview now. So I need to give an image. Without image we cannot. We could adjust here. I'm just giving my face. So like that we could preview now. Then we can check our book, how we wrote. To show this to your friend. After the preview, you could publish it. After publishing, you get the congratulations on publishing your book. Your book will be there and it's published in a store and the AD will show. And if you want to share this to your friends or anybody, you could just share. That's how to use a BRIBOOKS. This is all about BRIBOOKS. I hope this video was beneficial for you. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll be right here to help you. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.